Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today, we're talking about one of the most explosive microcap stories of the week, ROLR, High Roller Technologies. On January 15, 2026, High Roller Technologies stock surged over 400% in a single day, with shares closing up more than 436% and continuing to rally in overnight trading. So, what sparked this massive move? The main catalyst was High Roller announcing a binding letter of intent with Crypto.com to launch U.S. event based prediction markets, leveraging Crypto.com's regulated exchange infrastructure. This strategic partnership shifts High Roller from a traditional online casino operator into the emerging prediction market space, with some industry analysis or analysts believe could become a $1 trillion opportunity. Investors also reacted positively to a $1 million strategic investment from Saratoga Casino Holdings and leadership moves reinforcing the company's growth strategy. But keep in mind, this is an extremely volatile, low flow microcap. Price action is being driven heavily by news and sentiment, not long term fundamentals yet. Some traders even discussed it as a momentum pump play on social platforms. High Roller also continues to operate its online gaming brands and reported its first profitable quarter as a public company in 2025, though financials remain mixed. If you're watching ROLR, make sure you stay informed because with headlines like this, volatility can move fast. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock breakdowns. Guys, check the links in the video description below to make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.